Class 1, Subject Maths, Lecture number 23. Children, today I will explain break the numbers. Take out your neat copies and do break the numbers with me. Numbers are given here. First I will read the numbers 25, 31, 36, 42. First number is 25. So how many tens and how many ones? 2 tens and 5 ones. I will show you 2 tens, 1, 2 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 tens mean, because there are 20 ones in 2 tens, so 2 tens mean 20. So 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5. Next number 31. I will show you 3 tens and 1 1. There are bundles of 3 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens and 1 ones. So there are 30 ones. There are 30 ones in 3 tens. So 30 plus 1. Next number 36. 36. So again I will show 3 tens and 6 ones. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens and 6 ones. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 tens and 6 ones. So 3 tens mean 30. 30 plus 6. Next number 42. There are 4 tens and 2 ones. So I will show you 4 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens and 2 ones. So 4 tens mean 40. 4 tens mean 40. 40 plus 2. This is your homework. Break the numbers and I will read numbers 29, 33, 43, 46, 50. You have to do in your neat copies.